Hello everyone, welcome to Bot Penguin. Today we will discuss how you can create or manage your WhatsApp broadcast. You can use broadcast to send a message to several contacts at once. To create or manage a WhatsApp broadcast, you have to firstly go to your WhatsApp chatbot. On the left hand side, you'll find the bots option. Just click on that. For the demo purpose, I am using this WhatsApp chatbot. After selecting your WhatsApp bot, you will land on this page. Then you have to navigate to the WhatsApp automation section. Here we have the different subsections. You can create or manage your broadcast and drip campaigns. From here, you can manage your widgets, you can manage your templates, and you can create or manage your WhatsApp catalog. In order to create a new broadcast, you firstly have to create a template. For creating template, you have to go to the template section. For the demo purpose, I'll be using this template. If you want to learn how I created this template, so I'll give the video link in the description box below. You can check it out. Now let's move to the broadcast section and create a new broadcast for WhatsApp. Here you have to write the broadcast name. For the demo purpose, I am writing shows broadcast here, and then you have to click on the continue button. Here you have to select what do you want to send. That means you have to select the template here. You can also create a new template if you want. For now, I am selecting this template that I have already created. Then you have to select whom do you want to send this WhatsApp broadcast. You can use the CSV file containing your contacts, or you can use the groups option, or you can send this broadcast to all of your contacts. For now, I am selecting the using group option. Here you can select the group. I am selecting this for now. You can also create a new group by clicking on this button. You can also select the time when do you want to send the WhatsApp broadcast. If you want to send it right now, you can click on the now button. Or if you want to send it later, you can click on the later button and then select the date and the time whenever you want to send the broadcast. For now, I am selecting this now option. Then we have to select the value for the variables because I selected this template and this contained 4 variables. So now I have to select the value for the variable. You can see the body of the template here. So for the first variable, I wanted the value name. So I'll select name attribute here. If by any reason the name value is not getting updated in the template body, then for a backup, you can type any text here. For example, student. So if the name is not getting updated here, so it will type hello student. For the second variable, I again wanted the name and I am going to copy this value here. For the third variable, I wanted an email. So I am going to select the email from the list. If you are not able to see any values here, that means you have to create custom attributes. If you want to know how you can create and manage your custom attributes, then the video link will be given in the description box below. Similarly, for the email, you can set any variable fallback value here. And then for the fourth variable, I wanted the phone number. And if by any reason the phone number is also not getting updated here, so you can select a variable fallback value for the backup here. After clicking on the create broadcast, your broadcast will be created and sent now if you have selected the now option. But if you have selected the later option, the broadcast will be sent at the specified time. So that was all about how you can create and manage WhatsApp broadcast. If you need any help, you can refer to our help documentation. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.